Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of apples with some amazing hacks you won't want to miss. We're talking about turning this everyday fruit into something extraordinary. Get ready to be amazed because we've got seven incredible apple hacks that are gonna level up your apple game. We're talking time-saving tricks, delicious recipes, and even some DIY crafts that will blow your mind. So if you're ready to unlock the full potential of this superfruit, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this apple party started. All right, first up, we're tackling the age-old struggle of cutting apples. Who hasn't started hacking away at an apple only to end up with uneven chunks and a serious case of fruit ninja fatigue? Well, say goodbye to those days because the apple slicer is about to become your new best friend. This little tool is a game changer. Just center it over your apple, push down, and bam! You've got perfectly sliced apple wedges in seconds. No more struggling, no more mess, just pure apple slicing satisfaction. Next up, we're diving into the world of apple cider vinegar, or ACV as the cool kids call it. This stuff is like a health potion in a bottle. Seriously. From boosting your immune system to helping with weight management, apple cider vinegar is packed with benefits. And the best part? You can make it right at home. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can have your own batch of liquid gold in no time. Get ready to unleash your inner artist because we're about to get crafty with some apple stamps. This one is perfect for the kiddos, but let's be real, adults can have fun with it too. All you need is an apple, some paint, and a bit of creativity. Cut your apple in half, use cookie cutters to create fun shapes, or just go freehand. Dip those apples in paint and stamp away on paper, fabric, or even make some unique wrapping paper. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. Easy Apple Pie. Because you deserve dessert. Who doesn't love a warm slice of apple pie? But let's be honest, sometimes the thought of making pie dough from scratch is enough to make you reach for the takeout menu. Well, fear no more because we're about to bake up a storm with this super simple apple pie recipe using pre-made dough. That's right, we're all about shortcuts that don't sacrifice flavor. We'll show you how to create a mouth-watering apple filling, assemble the pie, and bake it to golden perfection. Get those forks ready. Chapter 5. Apple Storage Secrets. Keep them fresh. Ever buy a big bag of apples only to find them going soft and wrinkly a few days later? Yeah, we've all been there. But don't worry, your apple hoarding days are over. We're sharing our top secret tips for keeping your apples fresh and crisp for longer. From the right temperature to clever storage hacks, these tips will change your apple game. No more wasted apples, just deliciousness that lasts. Chapter 6. Healthy Snack Attack Apple Chips. Craving something crunchy and satisfying but want to avoid the guilt trip that comes with a bag of chips? We've got you covered with these insanely delicious and healthy apple chips. That's right. We're taking ordinary apples and transforming them into a snack that's both good for you and bursting with flavor. We'll show you how to slice your apples thin, season them to perfection, and bake them to crispy perfection. You won't believe how easy it is to make your own healthy snacks at home. Chapter 7. Apple Candle Holder, Light Up Your Life. For our final apple hack, we're getting creative and a little bit fancy. We're going to turn a simple apple into a stunning candle holder that will add a touch of rustic charm to any room. This is a great way to upcycle apples that are past their prime for eating. We'll show you how to carve out the apple, create a space for a tea light, and decorate it to match your style. Get ready to impress your friends with this unique and beautiful DIY project. Happily ever after. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these apple hacks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. We had a blast sharing these apple-tastic ideas with you, and we hope you're feeling inspired to get creative in the kitchen and beyond. See you next time.